In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download as PDF in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a flyer, a worksheet, or a simple document, saving your design as a PDF is often the best way to share or print it. PDFs help keep your layout, fonts, and images looking exactly the way you intended, no matter what device someone is using. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to export your Canva design as a PDF, and I'll also explain the different PDF options you'll see along the way. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This means you should already be logged into your Canva account and have the design you want to export ready to go. Once your design is open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the Share button, a panel will open with several options. In that panel, look for the option that says Download. Select Download, and you'll notice that the panel refreshes to show you more detailed download settings. Here, you'll see a drop-down labeled File Type. This is where you choose the format you want to export your design in. Click on the File Type drop-down, and you'll see different options such as PNG, JPG, and others. For this tutorial, we're interested in the PDF formats. From the list, choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print, depending on what you need. If you're planning to share your design digitally, for example by email or online, PDF Standard is usually the best choice because it creates a smaller file size that's easier to send and download. If you're preparing something to be professionally printed, like a poster or a brochure, select PDF Print. This option keeps higher quality and is better suited for printing, though the file size will typically be larger. Depending on your Canva plan, you may see additional options here. You might be able to adjust the size of the pages, limit the file size, compress the file, or even enable a transparent background for certain types of designs. Adjust these settings only if they're relevant to your project and you understand what they do. In many cases, the default settings will work perfectly. Once you've chosen your file type and checked any optional settings, you're ready for the final step. Click the Download button. Canva will start preparing your PDF. After a few moments, the file will be saved to your device, usually in your default Downloads folder. And that's all you need to do to download your Canva design as a PDF.